Okay, hi. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually record the intro at the beginning or the end, so I'm gonna give one a shot here. This is my first real YouTube video. I'm just gonna do a simple makeup, like how I get ready on a daily basis, and or maybe we'll get funky, like who knows. It is Saturday. It's super snowy outside, but I just set up my camera so I don't want to show you. And let's get started. I'm still trying to get the hang of this, so if I don't do it right, don't hate the video. So anyway, I brush my hair after I get out of the shower, which I just took like a beautiful bath. If you saw it on my Instagram stories, it was that Lush one with like the really cool sparkly filter. Anyway, that happened. So what I use and have been using for like a year now is this Way hair oil, and I have like a little bit left. And what I do is I do like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, and then I warm it in my hands until my hands are like this. And then I just kind of comb it halfway through. Not comb it, well, comb my fingers halfway through my hair and sort of just like coat the ends. Because my hair is very fine, and I find like this oil actually, even though it looked like I used a lot, it doesn't like drown my hair and make it heavy, which is nice. So I'm gonna start my face with a toner. I'm gonna use this toner. It's the Herbivore Green Tea Jasmine Water Balancing Toner. And I like this because I don't have to use a cotton pad, but I do have a lot with a cotton pad. And it's gentle and it's good for like when my skin is a little bit oilier. And I just used some moisturizing masks, so that's what I'm heading for. I'm gonna try and look here, not here. Next up is my eye cream. Next up is my eye cream. Right now I'm using the Shiseido Ultimune eye. I just got this, I'm really excited about it, so I use like this much. And just kind of, you know, around the eyes. Like that. I do cycle a lot through like all different sorts of toners, serums. But right now I'm using this one, this Tata Harper resurfacing serum. And I like it. It smells okay. But I'm almost done. I kind of usually do 2 full pumps. Didn't come out like that right now. Right now, because it's Christmas, I'm treating myself. I'm using this tiny La Mer guy. Where is it? Here we go. I don't know if this is overhyped yet, but I'm really enjoying it. So that's how much I'm taking for scale. And I just kind of, it's pretty thick, but it smells so nice and it's cooling. And I don't like find myself oily throughout the day, and I didn't wear powder on top of it. So I'm really enjoying that, but the price point it's crazy. I think it's like $200 for the full size. Actually, first I'm gonna prime. I use the Dior primer. I really like this. Maybe this is the reason why I haven't been needing to powder. So yeah, I'm just putting this on with my fingers. My concealer right now is the Benefit Cakeless. I've blogged about this many times. It's on like my face every day. I just kind of do this tip here. And then I kind of judge after whether I need to add more makeup or not. Maybe I'll use a mirror beneath me right here because it's not in the video. Okay. So yeah, I just have a lot of redness right in the top of my forehead, and then under the eyes, obviously, because life. And what we just do is kind of bring that down in a triangle shape and like focus most of the color, you know, right here. Right here. Else. Okay, so now I use the sister brush, which is just like a tiny bit bigger, but it's the same like idea. It's pretty hard. And I use the, why did I say the? I use the Dior foundation. It's the Backstage in 2WO. That's my color, and it's a perfect color for me. I would say this is kind of my winter color. Whoops, no. I'm trying to keep the bottle clean. I would say this is my winter color, and we'll see. Where those two lines kind of meet, I just kind of go across like that. Get all the way around here. So I like using this around my face because I used a concealer that's kind of light in the middle, and I think that adds good dimension when you know, it adds good dimension, and I like emphasizing my bone structure, so I use like a lighter and then a darker to like create contrast, and I emphasize that contrast even more now, and you'll see. So I'm gonna use this bronzer, which is 102 Tantric from Marc Jacobs, and this brush, which is the Real Techniques I don't know, powder brush. It's kind of worn off. And I just sort of like under the cheekbones on the side. My eyebrows. Those like fluffy brows that I do that people at work stare at. I just use a bit of fixing spray right now. It's the Shiseido Co Radiant Dew into this Soapbrows tin, just like that. And then I use the spoolie, and I just kind of like work the spoolie into the wet spot till I grab some soap onto the brush. And then now I'm just gonna brush it through my brows. So once you got like a shape that you sort of like, just like with a finger, go in and press them down. Just like that. I did something weird here. Maybe I clumped it just like I was saying. No, it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna leave, we're not. Now I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown, just the pencil side. And I'm just gonna kind of go through where it's gappy, which is like here. My brows are really fair, it's not that it's gappy. So there. Those are my eyebrows. Right now I'm using Better Than Sex mascara from TooFaced, which is like a dream, and I just have a sample of it, so if I need to buy a full-size mascara in the near future, which I like won't, that's the one to get. It's just normal lashes, nothing special. I'm just gonna go to do some errands. I'm actually gonna buy a bookshelf later. It's actually a shelf to put my cosmetics on. Because I'm tired of living out of boxes and I want them to be put on a nice little shelf. So that's what I'm doing today. Maybe I'll insert a clip, who knows? Maybe I'll just story it on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Cause that's more like a live thing. Plus I'm gonna be doing it alone. Now we're gonna do blush, and I'll use this blush. It's the Josie Maran Vibrancy Argan Oil Fresh Face Paint Palette. Ooh, look at that, church. And I just use that with, oh, what do you know? Kind of another Densey brush. And as weird as it is, this yellow is really nice. And I use it with like, kind of this one or this one, because it's a little bit more pigmented than you would think. So this pink is kind of new. Unless y'all want me to use that pink, let's use that pink. So I'm literally just putting a little bit of pink on the apples of my cheeks, which, hey, actually looks really nice. I don't know if I've used this. I need to clean up my eye. I never remember to clean up my eye, and then I'm like on the subway, ooh! See how pigmented it is? And now, like, I kind of need to work on blending this out. But what I was saying about this lighter color, and I'll show you, is it kind of mutes if you did something too much, which I tend to do with the, like, brown, because I like brownie shades. So I figured that little hack out. And just a little color on the nose. And there we go. What is winter without highlight? I'm using the Fenty Beauty Husla Baby. It's, might as well show you the fucking inside. This one. So, just a little swipe onto, you know, the shiny spot. The other shiny spot. And I've since cleaned my eye. The tip of the nose, because I'm cute. And that shiny spot. Now I'm not gonna powder, and I don't think I'm gonna fix, so that's kind of the look I'm going for today. And I'm gonna go do my errands, and that's it. So thank you for watching. If you made it this far, this video is dedicated to my grandma. If you made it even this far, I'm gonna use this lipstick from Marc Jacobs. It's one of their Les Beige, and I like wear it all the time, so it doesn't even matter. And it's just like kind of a natural pink. But since we did the pink cheeks, that's me today. Bye.